Tides and Times. The Information Field Hypothesis. By S C SAYLES. From his observations of the tides in Morecambe Bay, S C SAYLES presents a revolutionary exploration that challenges one of the longest-standing assumptions in science, that the moon and sun mechanically pull the oceans into motion. In Tides and Time, the Information Field Hypothesis, SAYLES argues that the traditional gravitational model, though widely accepted, is riddled with unsolved paradoxes, energy shortfalls, and ad hoc explanations. Drawing from history, theology, modern physics, and rigorous analysis, SAYLES unveils the information field, IF, a non-material, non-energetic framework through which creation itself is instructed. The tides, he demonstrates, are not brute accidents of gravitational tugging, but the daily testimony of decree, encoded rhythms written into the fabric of reality by the logos. This groundbreaking book examines historical perspectives, how ancient cultures, from Mesopotamians to Polynesians, understood the tides as decrees, not mechanical pulls. Biblical foundations, why Scripture consistently presents the heavens as for signs and seasons, Genesis 1 verse 14, rather than forces of causation. Scientific analysis, why the moon's gravitational differential is millions of times too weak to account for tidal displacement, and why traditional models resort to fictitious forces, like centrifugal effects, to explain anomalies. Philosophical insights, how principles like Occam's razor and saving the phenomenon favor the IF as the simpler, more coherent explanation. Cosmic implications, how the IF unites quantum information theory with cosmic order, reframing anomalies such as dark matter and dark energy. With clarity and conviction, SAYLES uses vivid analogies, from railway signals to calendars of covenant, to illustrate how the moon and sun serve as markers of divine timing rather than causal engines. He shows how the tide's global harmony reflects not random mechanics but encoded liturgy, the sea rising and falling in obedience to the logos. Provocative yet deeply grounded, Tides and Time invites readers to reconsider the very nature of reality. It offers not only a bold scientific alternative but a restoration of cosmic wonder, a vision in which every tide, every star, and every law of nature is part of the grand hymn of creation. SAYLES exposes the flaws of the gravitational model, from timing anomalies to the far-side bulge paradox, and shows why modern physics increasingly points to information as the foundation of reality. Blending history, theology, and science, he reveals the tides as a daily testimony to the logos, who upholds all things by his powerful word. Provocative, rigorous, and awe-inspiring, this book invites readers to see the cosmos not as a blind machine but as a living liturgy.